Hello everyone, this video is about a software that can help you increase traffic and improve your website's ranking in search results. Alright, let me walk through how MKT Traffic actually works and how you can use it to generate consistent, high quality traffic for your business. I'm going to keep this simple and focus on two things, what it does and how it helps you get real results. Inside MKT Traffic, you can create different types of campaigns depending on your goal. If you're doing sales, you can use the keyword search campaign. This feature simulates real users going to Google, typing your keywords, finding your website and clicking on it. The benefit here is very clear. It helps improve your keyword ranking and increase your click-through rate in a natural way. If your goal is to drive traffic directly to a landing page or sale page, you can use direct link option. This sends traffic straight to your website link without going to Google. It's perfect when you need fast traffic for campaigns, product launches, or affiliate offers. There's also backlink traffic, which means users come from other websites before landing on your page. This creates a more natural traffic source and is especially useful if you are building long-term sales and authority. And if you want the best of all worlds, you can choose Mix campaign, which combines all the traffic types together. This gives you a diversified and much more organic traffic profile. So now, one of the most powerful parts of MKT Traffic is the ability to control user behavior in detail. You can choose the country, the language, and even how many pages of search results the user go through. So you're not just getting traffic, you are getting targeted traffic from the exact market you want. On top of that, you can customize how users type. You can set it typing speed, delays, even small typing mistakes, and whether they use search progression. This makes the behavior look completely natural, like a real person, not a bot. And that's extremely important if you want your campaigns to be safe and effective long term. Okay, now I will do example for you. I add a keyword here, MKT Care Software, and my website link. Okay, then is the direct link option. I just need to add my website link so this can send traffic straight to my website link without going through Google. When it comes to behavior on the Google result page, you can even more control. You can set how long users stay on the result page, how many times they scroll, how they move their mouse, and how long they wait before clicking. You can even simulate user clicking on other results first, then coming back to your website. This creates a very realistic user journey and sends strong search signal to search engines, which have improved your sales performance over time. After users click and land on your website, the system doesn't stop there. You can still control what happens next. You can set how long they stay on the page, how they scroll, how they interact, and when they leave. The benefit here is huge. You increase session duration, improve engagement metrics, and make your traffic look much more valuable. This not only helps with yourself, but also improve your conversion rate. Another important feature is the warming up process. Before running the full campaign, you can let the system behave like a normal user first, then gradually increase activity. This reduces risk and makes your campaigns more stable and sustainable. Okay, and you can set the campaign name like website traffic. Okay, you can show the country like Indonesia. Okay, so then you choose the campaign and you just need to hit the run campaign here. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, this is my website. So overall, what MKT Traffic gives you is not just traffic, but control. You can control where your traffic comes from, how users behave, how long they stay, and how natural everything looks. And that's the key difference. Instead of relying completely on ads or guessing what works, you now have a system that allows you to generate consistent traffic. If you are doing sales, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or running landing page, this is a tool that can make a real difference. And if you want, I can set up a sample campaign for your specific case and show you exactly how the software works step by step. Just leave a comment or send me a message. I will help you get it started. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.